oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Hello guys, it's Jarisa. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm gonna be taking you along to a little trip that I took to Walmart, and I'm gonna show you all the cute stuff that they have for Christmas. I know that it's a little bit early, but the stores are actually starting to put the stuff out, and I couldn't be more happy because I can't wait for Christmas. So I'm actually recording this on November 1st, so I guess I'm not that early, but today I'm gonna take you along on my trip, and then once I'm back I'm going to show you the things that I got from Walmart, and I also have a couple of things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I also have some things that I got from Ross. If you enjoyed this video and you like the things that you see, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the coolest area, and this is where the Christmas trees are. I mean, I feel like you're walking to winter when you see all these trees together, and they really have a very big variety of trees, so there's something for everyone in here. I also saw a couple of skirts for the trees, and I really like the one that had the hammer design. I think it's really cute. They also have a lot of options for wreaths. They look beautiful and amazing. They have so many details, and they all went from like $20 and around that. I really like these ones that were red and white, and I just feel like they look adorable. I also saw these lanterns that look really pretty. If you put a candle in this, it's gonna look really beautiful because it's going to project little stars. So I thought that was really cute, and they also have them in different colors. The 98-cent section is also really fun because they have a lot of ornaments that are perfect for like a kid's bedroom. I really enjoy going to the section where they have all the ornaments. Everything is really colorful and it all looks really pretty. I saw that they had a lot of black and white ornaments. I was actually surprised. I didn't know that black and white was very popular for Christmas, but apparently it is, and that's also really fun and cute. Can we also talk about these little cookie cutters? They were so adorable, along with these little ribbons that are right here. What I like the most is that all these ornaments are very inexpensive. $1.98 is very affordable, and especially the ones that come with 6 pieces, you can really get a good deal for the amount of decorations that you get. Even though it's pretty early, I saw that there were some spots in the store that were already a little bit empty, so it seems like a lot of people are getting ready for Christmas, and it's just that this year has been a little rough for a lot of people, so I feel like Christmas is something that is gonna bring a lot of joy. I'm also thinking about making some decorations and some DIY, so stay tuned for that, because I know that not everyone has a budget like to be spending money on decorations for Christmas, and you guys always know that I say that you can also make things yourself. You not always need to go to the store, but I just feel like this is very inspiring and very fun just to look at. Let me know what type of decor you're going to choose for this Christmas season. I decided to go with traditional colors because it just reminds me of my childhood. So let me know in the comment section what you're going to decorate your house with, if you're gonna go for traditional colors, if you're gonna go more for like farmhouse colors. The section where they had all the light colors like the white was a little bit empty, and it's because white is really popular right now, so keep this in mind in case that you're going forward for that. And I also saw this section where they had all these little trees, and I thought it was so beautiful with all the wood details. I felt like maybe I'm gonna go later and pick some things like this because I'm not really good with woodworking, but all these things look really beautiful and they all have a bunch of choices. I also like the ribbon section. I feel like this is perfect to wrap up your presents, and they were very affordable, and the ribbons are very thick, so you get a lot of material for your money. And I also love the garlands that they had. I saw that these ones are very popular and everybody seems to be into these ones, so stay tuned to see which one I chose. I also really enjoyed going to the area where they have all the little pieces for the little villages. I felt like it was really funny. And then it also had like one of the little buildings for the Walmart store. They are very clever. They put their own store in like the little village. I really like all the little trees that they have, and I feel like this is something that is gonna look really cute if you set something up like this. I always love this type of designs, and I feel like I'm definitely gonna go for something like that. And they also had a bunch of toppers for the Christmas trees. We already have one, but I felt like I wanted to show you guys the ones that they had. And there were some that were particularly interesting to me, like this reindeer one. I had never seen one like that. The one that I loved the most was this one that had the pine cones. I feel like it's really interesting and very creative. Okay guys, so we're back and now I'm going to show you all the things that I got from Walmart. For this Christmas, I decided to go with reds, whites, and just to make it look like traditional Christmas, but like a little bit more playful and happy. I also picked up some things for Zoe's room because I want to make a decoration for Christmas in her room, and it's gonna be a little bit more different, so I'm just gonna show you the things that I got. The first thing that I got was this little ribbon, and I'm gonna be using this one to like decorate the tree, make some ornaments. Some of the things that I got are also for like DIYs that I'm planning on making. This one was $4.98, and I just like that you get a lot of ribbon, and I think I'm gonna use this one to like wrap the presents and things like that, and I think that it's really cute because it has the red and the black. I love it. Something else that I found was this really cute ornament. It says joy on it, and I just love that it has the wooden design, and then it has the little berries, and it has a mirror in here. I think I'm going to use this one like in my third tray or on my tree. I'm not sure yet. We actually already have a tree and I have a bunch of decorations. I haven't taken them out, but I want to reuse as much as possible. But I just saw this one and I thought it was so cute, and this one is from the $1.98 section, and I love it. It looks so cute. I feel like you can do so many different things with this. Something else that I got from Walmart that I absolutely love is these berries. They look so cute and so realistic. I have a white creamer and I just feel like it would look so cute like that, or making like a little arrangement with some Christmas flowers. I feel like it's gonna look really pretty. It also comes with these little clippers that you can use to like put on your Christmas tree. These ones were $1.48, and I feel like they are really good for the price. They look very realistic. I got a bunch of ornaments because they were just so cute. I also got these really pretty Christmas trees. They are like glossy and they have a little holographic design. I feel like they look really nice. I got 3 of these ones and they were $1.98 again. I also got a couple of little ceramic houses I'm gonna be showing you later. I want to create a little village but with everything white, and then have a little bit of color with like the red and the green. So I feel like these ones are gonna go really well with the little ceramic houses that I'm gonna be showing you. Okay, something else that I saw at Walmart that I had to get is this really cute lantern. Look at how cute this is. I'm gonna use this like as a centerpiece on the table or maybe on the border of my window. You guys saw what I did for fall. I decorated like our coffee bar, and I also decorated on the window, and I'm thinking about doing that. And I also want to decorate the bookshelf a little bit different, so this is why I got so many little things, because I feel like you can do so many different things with them. And this one was $2.98. It looks really cute. I also got the same one in red because I couldn't choose, so I just got both. Walmart has so many ornaments right now, it's kind of crazy, and I feel like they are also gonna have way better stuff closer to Christmas, but I just found a bunch of stuff right now. I want to put like those little tiny Christmas trees like in in our bathrooms and also in the bedrooms. I found these little ornaments for the little Christmas trees, and I feel like they are so cute with the little ribbon. And I don't know if you can see, but they have these little snowflakes on the center. These are actually made of clay, so they are a perfect idea for like a DIY. I'm thinking of making something more with clay similar to this, but I'm gonna let you know in the coming days. And yeah, these ones are super cute, and I'm gonna be using them on those little Christmas trees. These ones were also $1.98, and you get 6 of them, so that's pretty good still. I also found these little ones that are like little snowflakes, and they have a little bit of glitter on them, and these are also the ones that I'm gonna be using on those little Christmas trees. They were $1.98 and you get 6, so that's a pretty good deal too. And this is one of my favorite things that I found at Walmart, and it's this really cute white and red garland. This one was $5.98. They have it in white and also in a wooden tone, and I just love this one because I feel like it's gonna look so cute with the pillows and everything in the living room. I think I'm gonna use this one like on the TV stand or maybe on the bookshelf. I'm not sure yet, but I just feel like it's so cute, and it's super long. This one is 12 feet and it was only $5.98, so that's a pretty good deal for something so long like this. I mean, Walmart is really kicking it with these decorations. They are really coming up with something really creative and cute. Keep in mind, guys, I'm also gonna be posting some DIYs. It's just that I have been working in a project. I'm working in our back porch right now, and it's taking forever, but it's gonna turn out really cute, so stay tuned for that. And then something else that I got from Walmart that is a little bit more like crafty is these really cute ribbons. They come with like the little truck that has the Christmas tree in the back, some burlap Christmas trees. Just the designs in general, they look so cute to like decorate jars or to just make little ornaments for your tree or to wrap up your presents. These ones were $4.88, and I just love it. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these ones. And something else that I found at Walmart were these little Twinkie lights. These ones are in the color warm white. They were super cheap, $3.88. I got 3 of these ones because I'm gonna put them in those little Christmas trees, like on that little village that I'm planning on making, and they were super affordable. Now I'm gonna show you the things that I got for Zoe's room. I'm going to decorate it pink because that's the theme of her room. Her little baby room is gonna be pink, and then she's gonna have a pink Christmas tree. I got these little ribbons that have a little bit of glitter on them. This is actually pretty easy to make, but because I'm planning on doing so many things, I just decided to get it. It was $1.98. I just love the little pink ribbons. I feel like they are so cute. And then I got these little balls for her little Christmas tree. It's a combination of like rose gold and glitter balls, and they were also $3.48 for all these little balls. And then Walmart also has this bunch of like really cute pink ornaments. I found this one that is like a little candy sticks for Christmas, and I also found a donut. Let me get closer so you can see it. These were the pink ornaments that I found. They were all 98 cents. My favorite one is this one because it's a donut and I love candy, so I feel like that's gonna look really cute on her Christmas tree. Oh, and I can't forget to mention the last thing that I got from Walmart were these little trees, and I'm gonna be using these ones for the little village that I'm planning on making. And I just feel like it's so cute. It's a 16-piece set, and it was $7.98. It comes with the snow, and it comes with a bunch of trees. So I'm just gonna be making a village with like little white houses, and then I'm gonna put these ones mixed with the white ones. And I feel like it's gonna look so cute, so stay tuned for that. They look very realistic. They have a little bit of the snow on them, and I just love that they have the different sizes, and I feel like it's gonna look really cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you the things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the first thing that I'm gonna show you is this really cute ceramic houses. Look at how cute this is. I was surprised when I saw this there because they look really high quality. They were only like 98 cents or something like that, but I got 4 of them, and they come in different shapes like this, and I just got 2 of these and these 2, and I also got the little candles that go inside. So I'm just gonna stick them, and I'm gonna put them together with the little trees that I showed you. I know that these ones are really popular, and also Target has them, but if you can get them for 98 cents, this is the best deal that you're ever gonna get. I also got from the Dollar Tree these little bowls for the little trees that I'm going to use, and they were like $1 for all these little bowls. So I feel like it's a really good deal because you can just fill it and then add the other garlands and all the other little ornaments. And these ones I'm gonna be using in the bathroom, like I said. So yeah, I love this one. And then the other thing that I got from the Dollar Tree were these candlesticks. I'm gonna be using these ones for like a centerpiece, and they were only $1 and you get 2 of them. So I feel like that's a pretty good deal because candlesticks are very popular right now, and I wanted to get them. When I saw them there, I was like, yes, if you want some candlesticks, just go to the Dollar Tree. And then just because I saw it, I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but I also saw this little Christmas tree at the Dollar Tree. I'm planning on like filling them with different things to make them look a little bit more expensive, and like putting them into a little container on the bottom or a planter to make them look a little bit nicer. But I got 3 of these ones. They were only $1. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them yet, but I feel like I can give it a try. So those were all the things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be showing you the things that I got from Ross. So from Ross I got these really pretty Christmas kitchen towels. I wanted to have some different towels because I feel like that's a way on how you can spice up your kitchen. It was a set of 3 for $5.99, so it's like $2 each. They are very big and very thick. And I also got these ones that have like the little nubs, as they call them. I don't know what they call these little guys, but these ones were $4.99, and it's a set of 2, and I just feel like it's so cute with the little guys in there. I feel like a combination of these 2 in the kitchen would look really cute. And then the last thing that I got from Ross was these really cute mugs. They are like Christmas mugs. These ones were $5.99, and I feel like it's a really good deal because the cups are really cute. Here you can see a little bit closer. They just look really cute and simple, and I feel like they can match any type of decor, but I really love them. I want to use these ones in our hot cocoa station, and I got one for him and one for me. I need to get one for Zoe. Now I just remember that. Let me take them out so you can see them. Look at how cute that is. Adorable. And that was everything that I had to show you guys for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be creating some more videos for Christmas, and I'm also gonna be putting out one or several videos of me decorating our house for Christmas, and I'm really excited about that. Like, Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and then, you know, Zoe's birthday, everybody's birthdays, and my birthdays, those are the times when I get excited. So yeah, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.